What's up, players? And Zav. I'm gonna do the carbon fiber mirror caps on the S3 today. Just pulled this thing off, so I'll have to show you how to do that on the other side. But here's the caps. Came in this nice, totally non-Chinese bag. Oh shit, sorry. So I got these ones because they just are the plastic ones, and then they just put a single sheet of carbon fiber on it and then clear coat it pretty much. So this is all I needed. They're like 110 bucks on eBay, so I will take them. And then these are the ones that have the I don't even know what these are called, that light that turns on when someone's in your blind spot. Get these 4 screws out. One there, one there, one in the middle, one right there, one there, and that's it. So by 4 screws, I'm at 5. Okay, so here's all those screws. 1 long one and 4 short ones. And they're all T10s. So that's loose. Gonna break open that black surround part. Definitely broke some shit when I pulled that off, but it should be okay. So now that those are off, we gotta remove those 3 white clips. So one's up in that corner. One's black on this one actually, but that one right here. And then this one right here. So those pop up, and then this part comes out. And then to remove the light, you push this clip in right here. And then this pulls forward. Let's see if I can get it with a hand. There we go. That's how you take that one out. And then you just push this little clip in. And then you're out. So I'm gonna go ahead and start removing this panel. You can see the 3 clips here better on the silver one. So it looks like everything should line up just the same on this one, but it's hitting in those 3 spots when you're looking at it like this. So you need to get to those white clips if you don't decide to take the other pieces off, but all of these pry up. So just go to that lip and pry them all up, and then you've got this little hook. So when you're taking it off, you just kind of have to sneak that out and then it'll go back in. Here's the hole where this hook goes in. So that goes into that hole right there. And then the various clips, I believe one's here, here, and here. There we go. It's that little hook that keeps fucking me. But now that's awesome. Now let's get the carbon one and put this one on the same way. I'm gonna start with the hook and then work my way over. Make sure you pull this wire out and plug this in first. Once you have this plugged, push it back in the hole. Start on this side. So put it in like that and then push it the rest of the way in. Looks like that. Fitment is good. And then this clip is actually plugged in now. And then put everything back together. So I'm gonna put the 4 smaller Torx screws in now. Screw that center back in, and then plug in our 2 clips from the mirror. So to help you guide this in, those 2 little fang looking things, those go in those copper holes right there, here and there. So you can use that as a guide and then pop the rest of it in. And that is it, that is installed. So you got your light, and then the carbon look. So fitment was pretty good. I'll leave a link to these in the description if you guys want to set for yourself. But yeah, that's about it. thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll buy some more shit for this car soon. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.